Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Do you want to create an avatar like this?
Welcome back to our channel. I'm happy to see you. I'll be teaching you how to create an avatar.
In our rapidly evolving digital landscape, the art of crafting talking avatars has surged in popularity. These virtual beings capable of mimicking human speech and expressions have found their way into various aspects of our lives, from online marketing to personalized customer service. In this comprehensive guide, we will walk you through a straightforward method for bringing your very own talking avatar to life. Let's get started. Begin by opening your web browser and visiting the did.com website. If you haven't registered for an account yet, don't worry. We have prepared a helpful resource for you. Check out our tutorial video titled Getting Started with DID AI Video Generator Beginner's Guide. This video offers step-by-step instructions and invaluable insights tailored specifically for beginners to ensure you commence your journey on this platform with confidence and ease. Once you have successfully logged in, creating your customized avatar is very easy. Start by clicking the Create Video button conveniently located on the left side of the interface. At this point, you will need to make a crucial decision. Choose between a human-like presenter, but note that actually these presenters cannot be used by free users like us. But good thing, you can upload a photo here if you like, or you can choose this one with an AI-generated avatar with a more animated appearance. The choice is entirely up to you. Now, on the right side of the dashboard, you'll find the scripts section, a crucial element in the avatar creation process. If you are using a free account, you can compose a script with a maximum of 10 words. However, if you have a premium subscription, you'll have the flexibility to create longer scripts based on your chosen subscription plan. Additionally, you have the choice of using your own recorded voice. Alternatively, if you'd rather not upload audio, you can select from a range of pre-recorded voices offered by the platform. Furthermore, it offers a variety of voices in multiple languages, allowing you to tailor your avatar's speech to your preferences. I will choose to generate an AI presenter for this example. To proceed, simply create a prompt to describe how you want your avatar to look. Once you have crafted a description that meets your expectations, click the Generate button. The resulting image will serve as your personalized avatar. If you are not completely satisfied with the result, you can modify your prompt and generate the avatar again, fine-tuning it until it matches your vision perfectly. We have made an AI presenter and now we need to write our script. To avoid the restrictions of free accounts, we should make our script short and clear. We can also choose our language here. I will select a female from New Zealand. Here, we can pick a voice. To listen to the voice, just click on this speaker icon and you will hear how it sounds. You can try different voices until you find one that matches your presenter. Or, if you want to use your own voice or upload an audio file, just click on this audio icon to do that. Once you have created your avatar to your satisfaction, click the Generate Video button located in the upper right corner of the interface. Allow a moment for processing to complete. By the way, it will take time to process depending on your internet speed. If it takes too long, you might have a slow connection. But before we unveil our final output, I want to kindly ask you to subscribe to our channel. Our channel is all about AI, but we make it easy to understand by showing step-by-step guides. By subscribing, you will get the latest updates on artificial intelligence, which can help you learn more about this exciting field. Your support means a lot to us, and we'd love to have you. And there you have it. Your personalized avatar, tailored to your preferences, is ready for use. It is as simple as that, making the process of creating a customized avatar easy and user-friendly.
Hello, welcome to my channel. Subscribe now.
To save your avatar, click the download button. If you intend to share it with others, click share. Keep in mind that as a free user, you have a limit of 20 credits. With each generated video using 1 credit, If you want more credits and access to additional features, consider upgrading your plan. Stay tuned for our upcoming video. And that's it. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.